Hi, my name is Danielle Miller, and I am the Education Outreach Coordinator at the Canton Museum of Art. Today we are going to be making our journal covers for the Camouflage lesson for backyard explorations.
First, you want to draw your animal large on the front cover. Next, get your watercolors out and create a light wash in the background. Afterwards, you're going to get out scrap materials, magazines, newspapers, scrap paper. Cut the paper out into the shape of your object and place it onto your journal cover. You can also use plain, textured, colored paper to create objects. Draw these objects, cut them out, and place them on your journal cover. Remember to stick to a color theme of 3 to 4 colors. After you're done cutting, place the objects where you want them to be glued down. Grab a glue stick and glue down your collage onto your journal cover. Time for texture. Go back in your journal and review the pages that we have made. You can make feathers, scales, hatching, grass, and all different types of textures with different materials. Here I am using bubble wrap with acrylic paint to make my coral. You can use pencil, you can use crayon, and a variety of classroom materials on a small budget. You can add texture right onto your journal cover, or you can add texture onto the paper and glue it right down. Here I'm using a sponge to create some texture onto my octopus. Finally, I'm going to use my paintbrush to create texture in the background. As you are using these texture techniques, don't forget our theme of camouflage. You want to create your animal blending into the background. I'm using my paintbrush, my sponge, my bubble wrap, all to have my octopus blend into my background. Now you're going to apply your acrylic skins onto your journal cover. Use a glue bottle for the thicker acrylic skins, and for thinner, flakier acrylic skins, use glue and a paintbrush. Remember to apply these throughout the composition to create the look of camouflage. Visit the lesson plan and see the video to see how you create acrylic skins. Almost done. Time for pattern. Don't forget to reference your pattern page in your journal. I am using Sharpie marker to apply pattern onto my octopus and in my background. You can use another material to create your pattern, but remember, a pattern is a repeated design. You can create scales, feathers, grass, all different kinds of things using pattern, and it creates a lot of different details. Last but not least, add any final details that you would like to add on top of your journal. I added lace, I added a little bit of acrylic paint, and now that your details are added on, you have an animal camouflage journal keepsake.